So let me start by showing you that now the mouse is actually very smooth. So how do I show that it's very smooth? So first I try to answer this question, total resistance of the circuit. So it's actually referring to 3 ohm and 6 ohm. So in this case my total resistance is represented by the symbol R. So R is equal to 3 plus 5. Okay, so 3 plus 5 is equal to 8 ohm. Okay, so do you notice that now my cursor is actually very smooth? So I show you the other case where it's a bit more a bit laggy. Okay, so how do I change the settings? So first go to start, then you look for all programs, look for this thing called, look carefully, this is called canvas tablet driver. Click this folder, and there's this thing called launch driver. So once you launch the driver, you notice that by default it's actually pan. Okay, I'll show you by default. You look carefully, it's actually a pan mode. So when just now when it was very smooth, it was actually in mouse mode. So you have to play around with this setting. So what happened is that if I change it to pan mode, okay, I try to write again. Okay, annotate this question. Total resistance. Okay, so do you notice there's a bit of lag? So now my writing is a bit laggy and I can't write as smooth as how I did it just now. Okay, so there is actually a difference in the setting if I just change it to it's a bit not as smooth as just now. Okay, so let me go back to the other option, which is again go back to all program, go to canvas, launch driver. Okay, if I go back to mouse, okay, you can feel the difference. Just now I try to write something. Okay, so notice that my writing is now a bit smoother. There's still a bit of issue here, but if you compare with just now, at least now my writing is actually much more smoother. Okay, so the key learning is I have to go back to here, start, program, canvas, tablet, launch driver. You have to change this part. Okay, yeah, you have to change this part. So you must always move back to mouse relative, then it'll be much smoother. Okay, that's all.